Hey, welcome back to Six Pack Garage, Phoenix, Arizona. Another update on my 2015 Escalade. She has 263,000 miles now. Did lifters on it. This one went bad. At 250K, so it's been 13,000 some miles since then. She's running good. No noises, knock on wood. I've been running the 530 oil synthetic, of course, instead of the 020. So oil pressure is a little bit higher. Not much, just a little bit, but it definitely, makes a difference. So yeah, running good. I'll keep doing these updates. I didn't do everything by the book, and I'll go into some details on some of that later. Took some well-calculated shortcuts. Couple little slivers. Motor's got high miles. I've seen way worse than that. So I'm okay with that.
Thank you.